Hi everyone, Prasoon here. Welcome to Mavericks Pro and Sprick, our spoken English classes. Today I just want to take you guys through something important that will come in handy at any given point, which is to learn anything fast. And it's a very famous theory by one of my favorite coaches. His name is Jim Kwik. And in order for us to remember this theory, it's very easy. Just need to remember FAST, and it's an abbreviation. F stands for forget. A stands for active, S stands for state of mind, and the last one T stands for teach. And I'm just going to go a little into these aspects. One, you might be thinking, why are you asking me to forget something when I have to learn something new? It's mainly because when we keep our mind open, or rather empty, we have more space to fill a lot more information. So we are not coming up with any preconceived notion, or I already know something about this topic. So when we have such a mindset, we are not that open or susceptible for learning. So what we need to do is to forget that we know anything about this, and there are a few other things that we need to forget, which we will cover in our following videos. Now, the second one I mentioned is active, and the reason why we have to talk about active is because most of us learn very passively. For example, when we were in school, we have to sit with a book, right, probably under a tea, or right at your at your home, where you in your study room, you sit and you learn, read, and you absorb information. And if you look at it, most of those information we absorb like that, it does not have a long-term memory, because we are not actively involved in learning. So the second thing is to be active while we learn. And how to be active, we're going to cover that in our later videos. The third one here is state. The third one, which is the most important factor, which is a state of mind, right? If we don't have a right state of mind, how do you think we will learn anything? For example, let's say we have some trouble at home, or at work, or any such environment. So our mind is pretty much occupied with the other things, and we are not in the right frame of mind or state of mind to learn anything. So this is where we have to be very careful. We have to have the right state of mind when we come to learn something new. Let that be anything for that matter, right? So now the question is, what do you think is the right state of mind for any one of us to learn anything? And the answer is, if you have interest in any subject, any topic, any skill, you can learn anything. And that's an awesome part. So make sure that you are extremely curious and extremely interested in the topic or skill that you're learning. And the last one, it's my favorite, since being a teacher / faculty, which is to teach something. Now, I just want you to imagine that when you are sitting or learning something, and someone tells you, like, you have to teach this tomorrow or the following week. How do you think you're going to sit in the class? Are you going to, give the same attention, or are you going to give more attention, since you have to learn, right? Or are you going to ask more questions at that point of time, because you know that I need to train this topic or teach this to so many other people. So do I have to prep more? And because of that, are we more involved in the class by asking questions, interacting more, and keeping in mind that yes, I have to teach this, so I need to absorb a lot more, right? So that's fast in short. There are so much more to it, which we will cover soon for you all. And hope you enjoy the session. Thank you.